Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show how I made this nursery room closet. I started by designing 3D model of the closet. The yellow part you see is the wooden shelves and the grey part is the bookshelf that I bought from IKEA. This closet had a lot of junk, so the first thing we did was to take it out and clean it up. I was 26 weeks pregnant, so my husband did most of the work. This is how it looks, nice and empty. We also took out the door because we wanted it to open on the other side. Next, we removed the trims from the bottom of the closet and the wired racks. We used utility knife to cut out the caulking and then a hammer to pull out the nails. Next, we secured the base to the wall on studs with screws and attached the wooden panel to the base. Please remember while attaching anything to the walls to do it over the studs with screws. Here my husband is attaching the support wood for the shelves to the studs. We then put the wooden shelves on these support brackets and attach them with the screws. We bought an assembled IKEA bookshelf for the other side of the closet. We attached this bookshelf to the wall using the bracket and also to the base. Here my husband is placing the shelves for the bookshelf. We finished this up with edge trims. Then I put some shelf liners, a laundry basket, a small box for memorabilia and some hangers. I will also link down below the DIY baskets I made for this nursery. This closet turned out to be so beautiful. Stay tuned for the whole room tour. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.